Hi everyone, so we are getting back to grade 1 theory, and this is module 6 on the ABRSM www.mymusictheory.com site, where the ABRSM syllabus can be found. If you want to check out the written instructions for this component, you can go to that site and have a look at module 6. This module is entitled Dotted Notes. Guys, this is so simple, so simple. So, if you have a semibreve and it has a dot next to it, the dot simply means plus half. It is that simple, plus half. So you take the semibreve and you say, what is half of the semibreve? And that is what the dot means. So this would be equal to a semibreve plus half. And half of the semibreve is a minim or a half note. Right, let me show you another example. So here is a minim with a dot. Minim plus half. So this is equal to a minim. You keep the minim and you say, what is half of the minim? It is a crotchet plus a crotchet, and that's what it means. Let's go on to a crotchet, a dotted crotchet, plus half. This would be equal to a crotchet. You keep the crotchet plus half. Half of the crotchet is a quaver, and that's the length. So that's just it's basically, the dot is to extend the note by half of the length of what you've already got. It may get a bit tricky in the questions, so you've just got to think a little laterally or think out of the box. But basically they're going to say something like this. They're going to give you this, and they're going to give you that, and they're going to say write one note, the equivalent of those two notes. And then you're doing the question from the other side around, and you've got to say, oh, well, that's half of that. That and that makes actually 6 crotchets, but I need one note, not a whole bunch of notes. So this would be equal to a dotted semibreve. Okay, so yeah, theory is interesting because in concept, to explain the concept is relatively simple, and then when you get to doing the exercises, you think, how does this work? Because it's all about lateral thinking. So they take the questions from a simple way, and then they sort of turn them around and ask you the questions the other way around, if that makes any sense. So very simple. A dot next to a note means plus half. Just remember that. Okay, bye.